Hello Internet, I'm Scott, the editor-in-chief of PLUGHITZ. At CES 2019, we conducted an interview with a company who used crowdfunding to secure money to produce their product. This is not unusual for us and is actually fairly common for our coverage. What's uncommon, however, is what we saw when we scanned their campaign pages. In the 2 years since the product was promised to backers, most backers have claimed to have never received their product. In fact, in scanning comments on Kickstarter, you can see threats of legal action. Because of this, I made the difficult decision to remove the interview. We've never removed an interview from CES for content reasons, but I made the decision because I did not want to bring any additional awareness to a brand and a product that may or may not actually exist. We apologize to our viewers if we got you excited about the product because, to be perfectly honest, we were pretty excited about the product ourselves. But we decided that it was in everybody's best interest to remove the interview. If you have any questions about our policies or how we arrived at this decision, feel free to reach out to us on social media or through our website.